Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete chat history on Deepseek, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to delete chat history on Deepseek. You can see here, I have two conversations. If for example, I want to delete the first one, just click on the three dots. Okay, I need her to verify that I am not a robot. Okay, click on the three dots, and then here you have two options: rename or delete. Just click on delete. But for example, if you have many conversations here and you want to delete them all at once, what you need to do, just click on the bottom, my profile. After that, click delete all chats and then confirm deletion. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to delete chat history on Deepseek. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.